It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Hello YouTube world, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to show you. It's a box, and in this box it's a titanium Firebox stove all the way from the USA. This arrived Thursday and today is Sunday, and I've been dying to open it but I didn't because I was waiting to share it with you. Before I open this, just a word of warning: if you live outside the USA and you import things into your own country, you will be liable for tax, import duty, excise duty, the list goes on. This cost an additional £52.12p, which I paid to the UK government, which I'm not very happy about, but at the end of the day there's nothing you can do about it, so just make sure you're aware. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, I'm so excited. There we go. I forgot to mention there's a second item in here from Firebox. I'm not going to show you that now, I'll show you that in another video. Here he is. So excited. Let's open him up. Packaging out of the way. Number 22. I found out these were numbered by watching a video by a chap called Same Old 77. He's put all the specs on there and the weights, etc. His video's well worth checking out. That's my cauldron case. They're good and tough. At least I got that. That's an additional extra. There's all your Firebox gubbins. And your paperwork. I'll read that later, I won't bore you with that. And here it is. Still got a fair old bit of weight to it, mine. Surprising. I guess not compared to the stainless steel version. I didn't realise at the time that there was only 2 fire sticks came along with this. If I'd have known that, I'd have got a couple more. The right way. There we are. First impressions, it's beautiful. Number 22, stamped on there. Also the extended grill plate. Slightly different shape to it. I guess that's to stop it warping in use. It's got a slight dip in there. Obviously that's intentional. So you're probably thinking, what's the weight difference between the new titanium and the stainless steel? Based on the Firebox, the extended grill plate, 2 fire sticks and the ashtray. Well, I can tell you the difference is a tin of soup and a small packet of biscuits or crackers. Now if you're hiking, backpacking or even cycle touring, that can make a big difference. As you'd expect, design wise they're pretty much identical, apart from the 2 little changes I've noticed. The first one is that the 2 dimples there to put the ashtray in a higher position, they're no longer there. So it doesn't fit in. Makes no difference. I kind of never use that anyway. And the other thing would be a slight change in patterning on the side. You can probably see from there, then there's like a little outline which goes all the way around. I guess that's to help as well with the expansion. So what's my overall impressions of the new Firebox titanium? It's absolutely beautiful. Same build quality as you'd expect from Firebox. It's lighter. It's not an option for everybody because of the price point. But if you go backpacking and you take a Firebox and you want to save a bit of weight, this is definitely the boy for you. And I look forward to using mine soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.